Now we'll start with the national parties of India. So in our book right now, those books which are updated, in those textbooks of political science or civics, 7 national parties are given. One by one we are going to learn about them. The first one is Bharatiya Janata Party. So those who are crazy about BJP, they would really enjoy this topic. So let's begin with Bharatiya Janata Party. When we go back to the history of Bharatiya Janata Party, so initially it was not Bharatiya Janata Party. It was known with some other name, that is Bharatiya Jan Sangh. It was formed by Shyam Prasad Mukherjee in 1951 on 21st October. Now later on, after the death of Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, it got split in 1977 to 1980. For 3 years it was known with the different name, that is Janata Party. Later on in the year 1980, on 6th April, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani, they together, we can say, formed Bharatiya Janata Party, what we know today as BJP. They are the prominent leader who started. When we talk about the aim or the ideology of BJP, we are very clear. The first one, as you can see, promote cultural nationalism. It means Hindutva is the main goal of promoting Hindutva, and Indian culture is the main objective of BJP. Second, Uniform Civil Code. If you remember recently, the 370 article and 35 article, these two articles we have demolished, what we say. So they had their own constitution, their own law. Then we talk about the triple talaq. Every religion, they have their own rules and regulations in terms of their culture. So recently even our government is working on this, that one nation, one law. That is civil code. No other law will be implemented. So one law for one nation and one people. Further, modern India. That is, India should be modernized in terms of equipments, in terms of thinking, in all the way a well-developed country. Then already this one we have achieved, that is integration and complete political control on Jammu and Kashmir. So our recent government, that is NDA, led by BJP and leader Sri Narendra Modi, they have removed or abolished Article 370 and 35, due to which now Jammu and Kashmir is 100% the part of Indian Union. When we talk about the symbol, so you can see this is the symbol of BJP, that is Bharatiya Janata Party, lotus. Talking about 2019 election, so we all are knowing the miracle result of 2019. Once again, after 2014, BJP came up as a single majority party, securing 303 seats in Lok Sabha, and NDA, that is the alliance of BJP, got 353 seats. Indian National Congress or INC. This is the second national party of our country, and for our knowledge, the oldest party of our country. This was formed in the year 1885 by A.O. Hume. He was a military man in the British. Later on, he formed the INC. When we talk about INC, as I said, the oldest one, dominated the freedom struggle, and even after independence, it dominated the Indian politics for almost 70 years. The starting, if we talk about, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, dominated both at national level and state level. When we talk about the objectives or aims or the manifestos of Indian National Congress, so they aim secularism, welfare of the weaker sections, minorities, women, economic reforms with human face, that is new economic, the latest development in the economics, that is their main objective. They are centrist party, that is not rightist and not the leftist. The political symbol of Congress is, we can say, hand or panja, that is the political symbol of Indian National Congress. In 2004 election, if we talk about, became the largest party with 145 seats in Lok Sabha election. Then in 2014 they lost, hardly could manage around about 35 seats. But in 2019 election they developed a little and secured altogether, that is UPA, the alliance formed by Congress, that is United Progressive Alliance. So altogether 91 seats they have won, and they play the role of opposition. Out of 91 seats, 52 seats were won by Indian National Congress alone. The prominent leaders right now are Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, Kapil Sibal, and so on.